Worship has special importance in Hindu religion. It is said that the results of any puja are achieved only when the puja is performed with complete rituals. Just worshipping God and doing arti is not enough. In Sanatan Dharma, offerings are also made to God. Do you know why we offer food to God? We should eat pure food, so bhog is offered to God. However, the reason of offering food to God with devotion comes first. Later the logic of eating pure food takes place. By offering bhog to God, a person becomes humble and virtuous. The mind becomes clean and pure without ego. Along with this, a feeling of sacrifice and charity is also added to it. On the other hand, if we talk according to Vastu Shastra, then eating food after offering bhog to God removes the food defects. The reason behind offering bhog to God is not only religious, but the logic behind it also has the basis of Ayurveda and Vastu Shastra. According to Ayurveda, there is harmony in the mind of a person while preparing food for God. This harmony keeps the person happy from within and removes the stress spread in his mind. There is a feeling of love in the food prepared for God. Due to this reason, a person feels happy and the effect of mental diseases starts reducing. There is a scientific reason behind the process of offering bhog. Actually, since childhood we have been told and explained that we should not hurry while eating food. This is because in such a situation food has a negative effect on our body. In such a situation, the tradition of offering bhog to the deity must have been started to make a person patient and calm before eating food. There is a provision in religious scriptures that before eating anything, one should offer it to God. It is believed that during any auspicious work, prasad is offered to God. Similarly, there is a tradition of offering food to God during worship and fasting. It is said that only pure and proper food is always offered to God. Do not consume any kind of impure thing during puja and fast, hence there is a tradition of offering food to God. So that we consume only pure and sacred food. Not only this, it is also said in Atharva Veda that food should always be offered to God and only then should one consume it. Often, after offering prasad or bhog, people wonder what to do with this prasad. Leave it aside or eat it. We tell you what to do with the prasad after offering it. It is said that Naivedya should be offered in a metal vessel like gold, silver or copper, stone, sacrificial wood or clay vessel. It is said that the offered Naivedya becomes absolutely pure. Therefore, it should be taken away from there immediately after offering it. According to astrologers, prasad should be distributed as much as possible and a little of it should also be eaten by oneself. According to Vastu, Naivedya kept near the deity releases negative energy. After offering it to the deity, the prasad should be immediately removed from there. Special care should be taken regarding the time of offering. Bhog should be offered at the time of puja. For this, all the people of the house should be together. After offering bhog, keep it in front of God for some time and then after the puja, it should be distributed among all the people. Utensil for offering bhog. The utensil for offering to God can be made of gold, silver, copper, brass, clay or even wood. Should be. One should avoid keeping Naivedya before God in steel or plastic vessels because these are not considered pure vessels. Not only this, one should not offer bhog in a broken vessel. Tamasak substances should not be included in the bhog. You may eat garlic, onion etc. But if you are offering food to God then there should not be onion, garlic etc. in this food. Only clean, fresh and pure food should be offered to God. Take special care that the food offered to God should be clean and pure. while preparing the food to be offered to God. Clean the kitchen thoroughly. Also, it is very important to take care of your own cleanliness. Always prepare prasad to God after taking bath, wearing clean clothes. After offering bhog, distribute it among the family members. And chanting this mantra while offering food is beneficial. Meaning, O God, whatever I have is given by you only. I dedicate my lamp to you. Please accept it and be happy with me. Some people say that God is only hungry for feelings. Then why this ostentation of offering food? Certainly, God is hungry for emotions, but if we keep him as a member of our house, then it is our duty to take care of him. Whether he accepts our prasad or not, we should eat food ourselves and not ask him to do so. We can never do this. Placing food in front of them at every meal and requesting them is the only way to express our feelings towards them.